Hey guys, it's Sarah aka saradplans. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Happy Mail from RunWithCraftScissors. I will have all of her information in the description box for you guys. Okay, so this is the little freebie sticker sheet that she included with my order. And then these are the clips that I ordered. So I ordered her new Valentine's Day stuff. So first we have this glittery pink owl with the two little hearts right here. And then this is her little ribbon freebie clip. And I was super excited for this one. So this is a burlap rose clip, and I love it. And then I got this bow clip, and it has this floral paper. And then the last thing I got was this like cotton candy colored glitter rose. I love her glitter rose clips. So that's what I got this time. Make sure you guys check out Leslie's shop, which I will have all of the information down below for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!